Today we are going to talk about our next unit. Our next unit is Unit 2. It is on inequalities and it is self-paced. This is your introduction to it. So in Schoology, you will notice a new folder. Right now mine says unpublished. Yours will be published tomorrow morning or in the morning. You guys will be able to see it. We're going to go to inequalities. In inequalities, you will see everything that you need. This is what you are watching right now, the introduction video. We're going to talk about the overview next. I'll talk about the rest of it after the overview. So here is the overview of what you are going to be doing. We're starting it on November 9th. And it's going to be finished up by December 4th. We have 4 lessons. 2.1 is writing and graphing inequalities. 2.2 is solving them using addition and subtraction. Lesson 3 is solving them using multiplication and division. This is the one where there is a trick to it, so you've got to be careful. And finally, lesson 4, solving multi-step inequalities. The trick is going to be for that one as well, so you've got to be careful. In each lesson, you're going to be doing 3 things, basically, and I'm going to show you where they are in a second. But there is a video, and I want you to take notes, and that's all in Schoology. Then there is a practice. You're going to do the practice and then check your work. Again, that's in Schoology. You do not have to turn anything in. But what you do have to do is do the 2.1 check-in in Go Formative. It is show your work, and I will be checking them hopefully every day at some point in time. So I will do the checking. You're going to do the same thing for lesson 2, same thing for lesson 3, same thing for lesson 4. The exact same 4 thing. Video and notes, do the practice and check your work, and then do the check-in in Go Formative. The final assessment is down here at the bottom. There's going to be a choice, and we're going to talk about it the week of next week, November 16th through the 20th. We'll talk about that in class. So here is this is 2.1, writing and graphing inequalities. This is how it is basically set up. Here is the video. It's always the first one. This is the PDF of the lesson that I'm teaching in the video. This is the PDF. You can use this for your notes if you want to. You can just do it in your notebook. It's up to you. Here's the practice. You do the practice, download it into Notability and do the practice, and then you can check your answers. You don't have to turn anything in. You do the practice and then check it all on your own. Then down here is where I've got the Go Formative. It's always 6 points. The first one is 6 questions, 1 point each. The other 3 are 3 questions, 2 points each. So back into Schoology, back to the Unit 2. Again, we are doing the video right now. Here is the overview that we've already talked about. This is number lines. This is a PDF of number lines if you need it. If you need to graph inequalities and you need number lines, this is just a PDF of number lines just in case you need it. These are each lesson, and we've already gone over what that looks like, the 4 things inside of it. Down here at the bottom is what we'll talk about next week, the inequalities assessment. I've got a couple choices that I'm going to put in there, and when they're ready, I will have it all set for you. So you are going to be working on this from now until December 4th. Now to December 4th. So basically, I'm thinking this week is the 9th through 13th. You're going to do the introduction and 2.1. Don't forget you have 1.4 and 1.5 quiz in class. So you won't be working on it any time in class. Next week is the 16th through the 20th. That's where I'm going to expect you to do 2.3, 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4. The following week is Thanksgiving week. There is no school that week for you guys for the whole week. But I would say use this time to catch up if you need to. Then the week of November 30th to December 4th, that is when you are going to be working on the assessment. And we will talk about the assessment up here. We'll talk about that this week, next week, rather, the 16th through the 20th. We'll talk about the assessment, and you're going to finish it by the 4th. If you have any questions, bring them to class. Otherwise, good luck and have a great day.